wanna save all the money as much as possible. Somebody doesn't get along together, she cannot be herself.
It's our first time that we're actually going to. Welcome back, guys, to the YouTube channel. I'm Rawan.
I'm sad.
Today we have such a big announcement. I just want you to post this video and comment down in the comment section, like just predict what is gonna be this announcement is about. I think the majority of the comments gonna say that we are having a baby or something, which is
Not true.
yeah. So you wanna tell them what is this announcement is about?
Basically, we're moving. We moved from Lloydminster to Edmonton, and now we're moving back to Lloydminster.
Again, yeah.
We moved there for a business opportunity. We are still working towards it. If it happens, we'll let you know. But now that season is over, our job is technically no longer suitable for us at that stage or at that city.
Yeah.
So we have to come back and figure something out until we do or find a better business opportunity.
Yeah. The news thing or the announcement is that me and him, we're going to move for the first time ever together alone since we get married. We stay in our parent place, and when I come here, we also was staying in his parent place. And when we moved to the work, we were staying with a roommate. So we all technically we all the time staying with someone. Now it's our first time that we're actually going to move alone, me and him, in our apartment. It's gonna be something small, but the challenge is that it's not furniture. We have nothing, and we also we don't have so much finance right now
because we were living with people.
Yeah.
Most of the time, we didn't have to bring anything with us because it was already furnished.
Yeah.
Because my parents are furnished, her parents' house was furnished. Even the place we were living just now is also furnished, other than that one room. Now we have to technically, for the first time, move in together properly on our own, and it's gonna be the first time we have our own private space.
Exactly.
If I go to Egypt, her parents will not let me stay somewhere else.
Exactly.
And it's gonna be rude for me to do that. And when she come here, of course my parents wouldn't want us to move anywhere else but to their place, because one, there is an option, and two, they love us,
Yeah.
So they don't want us to move it out until, for example, we have a baby or there's other issues in the house, like somebody doesn't get along together, or it's just too many people in one house. So that is the case now, that there are too many people in my parents' house. Why? Because my sister is potentially having a baby.
Yeah.
Inshallah, very soon.
Pray for her to make it safe.
That's why. And my sister and her husband, they're living there, and we were living there as well. And then my mom died.
This is very crowded.
So now it's getting crowded, especially even though it's a decent house, especially with the new baby coming up. Now we decided, instead of going back to our parents' house, let's find our own place where we can be more relaxed in a way, that how we want to do things. Plus, she wears hijab, so Hamna's husband technically not allowed to see her hair.
Yeah.
In a sense, or she needs to be careful in front of him. So she cannot be herself. So when we move to the house, it's probably it'll be easier for you.
It's so much easier for me, especially that we're going to the summer right now, which is, it was all in my head. It's gonna be very hot. I have to wear modest clothes all the time, cover my hair, which is hard when I'm cooking and do the daily activity in the house. But now, since I'm gonna be alone, it's gonna be more easy for me. I don't have to wear hijab all the time. I don't have to, wear extra stuff all the time.
The only thing is that in the house was that she has to dress modest like she is outside.
Yeah.
And that's pretty tough. It's not easy because you come home to relax, but then because of the brother-in-law, again, nothing on them. It's just what we choose to do, what she chose for herself as a hijab, or we chose. But I'm just saying, it was tough on her. That period is over. She have her own space and own place, so it's gonna be a lot better.
I'm gonna be fully dependent on myself. This is scary, but I'm excited. I want to see myself how I'm gonna be in this situation.
Yeah, you'll have to take care of a lot of things on your
A lot
own.
of things on my own. No one is gonna do anything for me, so I have to.
Same thing for me. I have to
Yeah.
take care of a lot of things on my own.
Yeah.
And nobody's gonna come save our ass.
Yeah, no one is gonna save me. That's the issue. Like, if I'm tired, if I'm sick, no one is gonna save me other than him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We own nothing. Why? Because we were moving so much. I was before her moving so much. So I hated owning stuff and I still don't like it. That I don't want to buy fancy things, any of that. I'll just be fine in a minimal type of stuff.
Yeah.
But because we didn't own anything, we don't have anything. The only thing I think we own in terms of big is the bed and TV. Yeah.
That's it.
Bed, TV,
And table, like that.
and table.
Yeah,
Yes.
feasting table.
Yeah. So technically, in the big things, these are the three things.
Yeah.
Rest of everything can literally fit in this car. It's all like a couple luggages, clothing,
We have nothing
stuff
like,
like that.
even the plates, we have like 3 plates. The cups, we have 3 cups. We don't
Exactly. We don't have
it's-
like, we can't even bring someone over
have. Yeah.
right
like,
now.
Yeah, yeah.
But now, when we move into our place,
We have to make it proper.
that's where we'll start working on making like a proper household where we bring people over, they will come invite. So there's a thing in our family, what we do is that each sibling, so there's 4 siblings, all of us are now married. Each one have a invitation for a gathering for the whole family. So one sibling will call over, hey, to this week you are coming over at our house. So usually it's end up being on Monday, right?
Yeah, it's Monday, Sunday, Monday, like something around
Yeah.
there.
So usually it has been Monday, but we are pushing towards Sunday as well. We'll see if it moves to Sunday, but usually it's been Monday evening. So after work Monday, we go to that one sibling house, and then she or her family will cook and everything, and we'll just get invited over. Because we were living at our parents' house, so it was me and Hamna, which is my other sister, younger sister, were doing it together, so to speak. And it was 2 turn for the same house. Why? Because 2 kids are living in the same house.
Yeah.
So now we are moving to our own apartment. So it's gonna be like 1 week every place,
Yeah.
and then it's gonna be hard for her because she's gonna be all
It's
alone.
hard, but I love it. Like, I'm excited for it.
I'll try as much as I can, of course, but I'll be working for the most part.
Yeah.
But let's see. It's gonna be like good invitation, and it's gonna be the first invitation in terms of family gathering as well.
And it's gonna be very enjoyable. I have nothing in my mind right now other than just thinking what I'm gonna do for the first invitation, because I want to make it very, very memorable and like so good, like in a way that it didn't happen in the family before. But I don't know how I'm gonna make it. So you guys have to give me some ideas, and we're gonna make also like a series on how like on us furniture the house, and how we're gonna make it under like in a very, very low minimum budget. Like how you're gonna make it if you don't have money, how you're gonna make this house a proper house with a very minimum budget that is not gonna hurt your pocket a lot.
To be very honest, we're at a stage that we want to save all the money as much as possible. We don't want to invest any money in stupid things.
Yeah.
So we'll let you know when we found something good free versus cheap free.
Yeah, and I will show you the whole thing how we're gonna make it, because like here there's 2 fights. The fight that we have to keep everything with a low budget because we don't have money, and we can just stay in the house literally with just the bed and that's it, and the kitchen. But at the same time, because we're gonna stay there for over 6 months or maybe more than that, but for now it's 6 months. So I also wanna have a comfort zone in my house, which is like a good looking house. But at the same time, we don't have much money. So these 2 fights, we're gonna meet in the middle on how we're gonna do both of them. Have a good looking house with a very minimum budget.
We haven't even got the approval of the apartment.
Yeah,
We're still
just
waiting.
We're making all of this drama and we don't even have the approval yet. We don't know how it's gonna happen or when.
Yeah, so hopefully by today, that's what they said, that they will let us know today. So let's say if we get approved, which I feel like 90% chances that we will, inshallah, then we know for sure that we are moving from there. But the problem also is that like the house that we are living in right now in Edmonton, that's not finalized yet. We still have to do a little bit more discussion with the landlord and the renters and things like that, because we are technically moving early because of the job issue. So we have to figure that part out as well.
So there's so many issues in here, guys. You have no idea how many issues we have right now. Just pray for us and hope the best for us, and we will keep you updated on everything happening.
thank you so much for everyone that's been supporting. I see that we gained a little bit few subscribers, so I appreciate each and every one right now,
Yeah.
including all the people that has been commenting on literally every video. I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate that you're tagging along on this journey. If you're watching this at this moment, comment down how many followers or subscribers we have, and let's see in future, say maybe, I don't know, maybe 6 months down the road, we will be able to hit that mark.
Now we're a small little cozy family, like,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's good. I like it too. Like literally, 400 people know us, and we know them by their
Yeah.
names. A lot of people have been commenting. I know almost all of them. Talk to all of them in the comments and discuss things about it. So that is all for.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That's scary.
That is all for today's video. We'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Till then, take care of yourself and of this channel.
And
Peace.